Welcome back to Learn Afrikaans with Lexorial. If this is your first time listening, a very warm welcome. I'm Nerika and I'm here to help you understand Afrikaans and speak it with confidence, one practical lesson at a time. If you enjoy learning with me, remember to follow the podcast so that you don't miss a new episode. And if you have a moment, leaving a rating or a review is a simple way to support the podcast and help more Afrikaans learners find it. Now, wherever you are, get comfortable, listen closely, and remember, don't be afraid to speak aloud and make mistakes. Is jy gereed? Are you ready? Kom ons begin. This is the 7th episode in our Beginner Afrikaans series. In the previous episode, you learned how to describe your daily routine, from waking up in the morning to going to bed at night. Today, we're going to zoom out and look at your whole week. You'll learn the Afrikaans names for the days of the week, how to say that something happens on a particular day, and how to talk about your working week and your weekend. By the end of the episode, you'll be able to describe a simple weekly schedule and ask someone else about theirs. Your week does not need to be perfectly organized. If you sometimes discover on Wednesday that you've been thinking it is Tuesday all along, you can still do this lesson. As always, repeat the Afrikaans aloud and answer the question during the pause. Let's begin with a short conversation between Anna and Ben. Anna and Ben are talking about their plans for the week. For now, just listen and see how much you understand. Hoe lyk jou week? Ek werk van Maandag tot Vrydag. Ek werk Maandag en Woensdag by die kantoor en die ander dae van die huis af. Wat doen jy Dinsdag aand? Ek oefen Dinsdag aand. Donderdag aand eet ek saam met my familie. En wat doen jy oor die naweek? Saterdag rus ek en Sondag kuier ek by vriende. Let's listen once more, a little more slowly. Hoe lyk jou week? Ek werk van Maandag tot Vrydag. Ek werk Maandag en Woensdag by die kantoor en die ander dae van die huis af. Wat doen jy Dinsdag aand? Ek oefen Dinsdag aand. Donderdag aand eet ek saam met my familie. En wat doen jy oor die naweek? Saterdag rus ek en Sondag kuier ek by vriende. You may already have recognized words such as werk, oefen and Saterdag. Now let's learn the days one by one and then borrow the sentence patterns from this conversation. Let's learn the 7 days of the week. Monday is Maandag. Listen and repeat. Maandag. Tuesday is Dinsdag. Wednesday is Woensdag. Thursday is Donderdag. Friday is Vrydag. Saturday is Saterdag. And Sunday is Sondag. Let's hear all 7 in order. Maandag, Dinsdag, Woensdag, donderdag, Vrydag, Saterdag, Sondag. Now say them with me in two smaller groups. Maandag, Dinsdag, Woensdag, Donderdag. Vrydag, Saterdag, Sondag. In Afrikaans, the names of the days begin with capital letters when we write them. Now answer this question. Watter dag is dit vandag? What day is it today? You can answer, vandag is dit. Today is. Good. And which day is tomorrow? Watter dag is dit môre? Môre is dit. Excellent. Now let's use these days in complete sentences. To say that you work on Monday, you can say, Ek werk maandag. I work on Monday. Listen and repeat. Ek werk maandag. You may also hear, Ek werk op maandag. I work on Monday. Both versions are natural. The little word op makes the meaning on Monday explicit, but Afrikaans speakers often leave it out in ordinary conversation. If the day comes first, the verb moves before ek. Maandag werk ek. On Monday I work. Listen and repeat. Maandag werk ek. Not maandag ek werk. Borrow the complete natural pattern. Maandag werk ek. Now imagine that something happens every Monday. The word for every is elke. You can say, Ek oefen elke maandag. I exercise every Monday. Compare these two sentences. Ek oefen maandag. I'm exercising on Monday, or I exercise on Monday in the week we are discussing. And ek oefen elke maandag. I exercise every Monday. The word elke makes it clear that this is a repeated weekly routine. Now complete a sentence that is true for you. Ek elke maandag. Good. Now put another day first. Vrydag, ek. Remember that the action comes before ek. Very good. The Afrikaans word for week is week. It looks exactly like the English word, but we pronounce it in the Afrikaans way. Week. To ask what someone's week looks like, say, hoe lyk jou week? What does your week look like? The word for weekday is weksdag, and weekdays is weksdae. Listen and repeat. Weksdae. You can say, Ek werk weksdae. I work on weekdays. A useful way to describe a range of days is van Maandag tot Vrydag, from Monday to Friday. Listen and repeat. Van Maandag tot Vrydag. Now add the action. Ek werk van Maandag tot Vrydag. I work from Monday to Friday. You can change both days. Ek werk van Dinsdag tot Saterdag. I work from Tuesday to Saturday. If you study, you could say, ek het van Maandag tot Donderdag klas. I have class from Monday to Thursday. Now describe a range of days in your own week. Ek van tot. Good. Remember that your week may not follow a Monday to Friday schedule. Use the days that fit your real life. Sometimes the day alone is not enough. You may want to say whether something happens in the morning, afternoon, or evening. Afrikaans can join the day and the part of the day into one word. Monday morning is maandagoggend. Listen and repeat. Maandagoggend. Tuesday afternoon is Dinsdagmiddag. And Wednesday evening is Woensdagaand. These are written as one word in Afrikaans. You can say, ek werk maandagoggend. I work on Monday morning. Or put the time first. Dinsdagmiddag gaan ek winkel toe. On Tuesday afternoon, I go to the shop. And Woensdag aand kyk ek televisie. On Wednesday evening, I watch television. Notice the word order again. Woensdag aand kyk ek. The action kyk comes before ek. Now choose a day and a part of the day. Tell me when you exercise, work, study, shop, or relax. Here is one possible answer. Donderdag aand oefen ek. On Thursday evening, I exercise. Now give one more answer with a different day. Excellent. The Afrikaans word for weekend is naweek. Listen and repeat. Naweek. To say over the weekend, we normally use oor die naweek. Listen and repeat. Oor die naweek. You can ask, wat doen jy oor die naweek? What do you do over the weekend? A possible answer is, oor die naweek rus ek. Over the weekend I rest. Or, oor die naweek kuier ek by my familie. Over the weekend I visit or spend time with my family. The word kuier does not have one perfect English translation. It usually means spending relaxed social time with people. You can also talk about Saturday and Sunday separately. Saterdag doen ek inkopies. On Saturday I do the shopping. Sondag bly ek by die huis. On Sunday I stay at home. If your weekend is busy, you can say my naweek is besig. My weekend is busy. Or my naweek is rustig. My weekend is quiet or relaxing. Nou answer, wat doen jy oor die naweek? And how would you describe your weekend? My naweek is... Very good. Let's learn a few questions you can use to ask someone about their week. The first is, hoe lyk jou week? What does your week look like? Listen and repeat. Hoe lyk jou week? You can answer with one or two important details. Ek werk van Maandag tot Vrydag en oefen Dinsdag aand. I work from Monday to Friday and exercise on Tuesday evening. To ask what someone does on a particular day, say, wat doen jy Maandag? What are you doing on Monday? Or what do you do on Mondays in the schedule we are discussing? You can replace Maandag with any other day. Wat doen jy Vrydag? To ask when someone works, say, wanneer werk jy? When do you work? A possible answer is, ek werk van Dinsdag tot Saterdag. To ask whether someone is free, you can say, is jy Saterdag vry? Are you free on Saturday? Listen and repeat. Is jy Saterdag vry? Here, vry means free or available. In Vrydag, it forms part of the word for Friday. You could answer, ja, ek is Saterdag vry. Yes, I am free on Saturday. Or, nee, ek werk Saterdag. No, I work on Saturday. Let's practice. Hoe lyk jou week? Wanneer werk of studeer jy? When do you work or study? Is jy Sondag vry? Excellent. Now it's time for another listen and steal exercise. I'll give you a complete Afrikaans sentence. You'll borrow the structure and change one part. Here is the first sentence. Ek werk Maandag. Change Maandag to Dinsdag. Ek werk Dinsdag. Next. Woensdag aand oefen ek. Change Woensdag aand to Donderdag aand. Donderdag aand oefen ek. Now listen to ek werk van Maandag tot Vrydag. Change Vrydag to Donderdag. Ek werk van Maandag tot Donderdag. Next up, ek oefen elke Dinsdag. Change oefen to studeer. Ek studeer elke Dinsdag. Now, Saterdag doen ek inkopies. Change doen ek inkopies to rus ek. Saterdag rus ek. Then, oor die naweek kuier ek by my familie. Change my familie to my vriende. Oor die naweek kuier ek by my vriende. Finally, my naweek is rustig. Change rustig to besig. My naweek is besig. Now change two details in the short schedule. Ek werk van Maandag tot Vrydag. Woensdag aand oefen ek en Saterdag rus ek. Change the evening activity and the Saturday activity. Very good. You borrowed a complete weekly framework and adapted it to create your own schedule. Let's have a conversation about your weekly schedule. In the first round, I'll help you with possible answers. Watter dag is dit vandag? What day is it today? You can answer, vandag is dit. Good. Wanneer werk of studeer jy? You could answer, ek werk van Maandag tot Vrydag. Or name only the days that apply to you. Wanneer werk of studeer jy? Now, wat doen jy Woensdag aand? What do you do on Wednesday evening? Is jy Saterdag vry? Are you free on Saturday? You can answer, ja, ek is Saterdag vry. Or, nee, ek werk Saterdag. And wat doen jy oor die naweek? Excellent. Let's have the conversation again. This time, I won't give you the answer structures first. Hoe lyk jou week? Wanneer werk of studeer jy? Wat doen jy Maandag aand? Wat doen jy Vrydag? Is jy Saterdag vry? Wat doen jy gewoonlik oor die naweek? Baie goed. You've just had a complete conversation about your weekly schedule in Afrikaans. Let's finish with a final challenge. Describe one typical week in Afrikaans. Try to include the days on which you work, study, or have other regular responsibilities. One activity that happens on a particular morning, afternoon, or evening. Something you do every week, and one or two things you do over the weekend. Here is an example. Ek werk van Maandag tot Vrydag. Maandag en Woensdag werk ek by die kantoor. Die ander dae werk ek van die huis af. Ek oefen elke Dinsdag aand. Donderdag aand eet ek saam met my familie. Oor die naweek rus ek en kuier by my vriende. Now describe your own week. Pause the episode and try to speak for at least 30 seconds without my help. How did it go? If your answer was shorter than the example, that is completely fine. A few clear sentences are far more useful than a long sentence that gets lost halfway through Thursday. Today you learned the 7 days of the week. Maandag, Dinsdag, Woensdag, Donderdag, Vrydag, Saterdag, and Sondag. You learn to talk about a particular day. Ek werk Maandag. I work on Monday. And a repeated weekly activity. Ek oefen elke Maandag. I exercise every Monday. You can describe a range of days. Ek werk van Maandag tot Vrydag. I work from Monday to Friday. You can talk about a specific part of a day. Woensdag aand lees ek. On Wednesday evening I read. And you can talk about the weekend. Oor die naweek rus ek. Over the weekend I rest. You can now ask another person, hoe lyk jou week? What does your week look like? Wanneer werk jy? When do you work? Wat doen jy Saterdag? What do you do on Saturday? And is jy Sondag vry? Are you free on Sunday? Listen to the practice sections again and describe a different kind of week the second time. You could describe your real schedule first and then invent the busiest, almost wonderfully empty week you can imagine. In the next beginner episode, we'll learn how to talk about hobbies and the things you enjoy doing in your free time. And that brings us to the end of today's lesson. Remember, you don't need to speak Afrikaans perfectly. You simply need to keep speaking it. If you would like more help with your Afrikaans, visit lexorial.com, where you'll find practical resources designed to help you understand and speak Afrikaans with confidence. Dankie dat jy geluister het. Thank you for listening. Until next time, hou aan oefen and keep speaking Afrikaans with confidence.